Hey guys, Alex here from Hannemann Ironworks, and today we'll be making a scrolling tong blank kit. Now I won these quite a while ago from Roy over at Christ Centered Ironworks, and I believe these are Ken's Custom Iron or the RX tongs or whatever, but they're all fairly similar. They're just scrolling tong blanks. I'll be assembling these together, forging out the reins, and doing a little bit of tweaking work on the front, and getting these ones ready for my collection to do some hardy bending. So yeah, there we go. These are some thick scrolling tongs, but they will come in mighty useful. So if you guys haven't checked out Roy, I won these from a giveaway a long time ago, and I've been meaning to get to them, but they've been up on a shelf, and I kind of forgot they were there. But now, today's the day. So thanks, guys. Go check them out. Link will be in the description down below. What I'm going to do is just take this and make it draw out a little bit, and then I'm going to round her up. Alright, so what I was doing there is just, there's a lot of plasma marks that was left on this, and I'm not sure who made it. I think it's the RX tongs that made Ken's Custom Iron tongs, and they were nowhere near as bad, but just a little bit of cleanup on the nibs and stuff that I wouldn't be able to just forge out easily, and took 2 seconds with the grinder and made sure they weren't there. So that's what I did. Now what I'm going to do is draw out the very tip of the tong to make them more pointy. As you can see, these are tiny scrolling tongs, very intricate scrolls and stuff. These will be a lot more meaty, but you can see where they draw out to a point and they're not just flat and square. So they're pretty well drawn out. I lay them on top of each other. They come almost perfectly to each other, which is phenomenal and some good luck. Not gonna lie to you. There is definitely a little bit of an element of being careful and making sure that they line up and they look right, parallel to each other when you're making them at the same time. But it doesn't always work out, and sometimes you gotta use a little bit of a grinder. But hey, I think it looks great, and that's phenomenal. But it's time to put the center mark in and drill out the hole. Now you can obviously punch this by hand without an issue, but I own a drill press and a drill and drill bits, and I don't think I have the right size circular punch to make the size of rivet that came with it. I don't think I own a 3/8 punch, and I don't feel like making one right now. So, center punch a couple of holes, drill them out, and rivet them together. So, that's what I'm going to do. Call it cheating if you want, but I'm using the tools at my disposal. And I recommend that you do the same. Alright, so here they are, just fitted up like they would be naturally. And with this, like, they put a notch in like you would over the anvil. Like if you were to line this up here and you'd hit right where this rivet is to offset to make a shoulder. These line up just about perfectly. Now I did reestablish them a little bit, but I mean, look at that fit up. That's pretty nice, especially considering these haven't been hot fitted yet and haven't even been riveted. So I'm very pleased with how these blanks came out. Hey guys, quick little interlude into the video here. I got a box in the mail from Gary Brown at Gary Brown Forging On, and I believe his forge name, give me one second. It's Make, Build, Create over at Hillside View Forge. This is a sticker he sent me a little while ago, and I still need to make another spot for stickers because there's no space on the board. I might actually be making a second anvil and putting it over on the other side of the shop. Eventually over where the coal forge is going to go. Going to try and terraform some of the stuff here. I haven't been slowly but surely working on it, but it's kind of in the background. But I got a little box here. Now I got some winnings from his 500 subscriber giveaway, and I'll be cracking this open with my Metal Man Productions knife. Alright, so we're in. Crack her open. Peel it back. And this looks a little treacherous, actually. Let me set it down here. Alright. Here we go. It's actually in a little box here. So, here's a note. Let me read it. And I got another sticker. Thank you, Gary. Thank you, Alex, for participating in my 500 subscriber giveaway. I really hope you enjoy the mug and sticker. Thank you again, Gary Brown. Gary Brown Forging on Hillside View Forge. Alright. So, as I just read there, I did win a mug in his giveaway. And it appears to be in one piece. Huzzah! So here we go. Got, see if I can kind of focus in. Don't wait, make, build, create. Gary Brown, Hillside View Forge. And I think that's like his touch mark maybe, but I know for sure it's his logo. So, yeah, he's got a fantastic logo with an awesome slogan. And I really appreciate it, Gary, and I appreciate the sticker. Thanks for hosting the giveaway. I'll definitely be using this. So, thanks, man. Catch you guys. Well, actually, resume with the video, I guess. Not sure what video this is going in, but it's going in one of them. Thanks, guys. Alrighty, folks. So here are some beefy, industrial kind of scrolling pliers. Now, these may be very useful in making some of those horseshoe nail hooks. I haven't tried it yet, but I certainly will. I think these beefier reins, maybe if I can grab just right and get that final bend in there, that's kind of what I'm having trouble with keeping consistent. I've made a couple of bending tongs or tines or whatever you call them that you bend in between. I got one at 1/4 inch. That one I just made today. The other I had was 3/4 and 1.25 inches that I've had for a while. Even that doesn't work perfectly. So I hope these will come in handy and see how it works. I'm also going to have to make an 1/8 inch one of these and see how that does. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this will come in handy in the shop. Actually, I know it'll come in handy in the shop. Definitely be replacing those pliers I have for beefier work. So thank you guys for watching. And if you guys are interested in something like these, I'll leave a link to Ken's Custom Iron. He makes some awesome blanks that you can turn into something like this. I'm not sure if these were his or if they were RX tongs. I won these from Roy quite a while ago. And thank you very much, Roy, for these awesome blanks. They will certainly come in handy. So if you guys haven't already subscribed to him, not sure what you're doing, he makes some of the best YouTube content out there on blacksmithing. Go check him out. Link will be in the description down below. And also, while you're down there, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, if you like and want your seed. So, thanks, guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace.